client's houses doing a bathroom remodel, and as you can see, we've already gutted the entire bathroom. I'm going to show you what we discovered and what you should keep in mind in case you're planning to embark on a bathroom remodel as well. This bathroom was outdated, had little to no storage, and felt very small. The vanity was 18 inches in depth, which felt very narrow and had no counter space. To help the space feel bigger, we are replacing the existing tub with a shower. To further help a small bathroom feel and look more spacious is by opting for an infinity shower instead of a ledge. Once we gutted the bathroom, we discovered layers of tile on both the floor and the walls, which was actually a plus for us as it meant the walls could be further pushed back. Unfortunately, we discovered water damage to the foundation and galvanized pipes. Galvanized piping was commonly installed in homes built before 1960, and over time it corrodes, rusts, and leaks. These were unforeseen expenses, and it's important to keep in mind that construction isn't always straightforward, as we don't know what lies behind the walls, floor, and ceiling. This is especially true in older homes. The alternative plumbing options are PVC or copper. PVC costs less than copper, but copper is the better option. Once the galvanized pipes are replaced with new copper pipes, we can move on to reinforcing the foundation. The wood beams running across are called joists. The water damage to the wood joist is so severe it caused the joist to become flaky and almost paper-like. You can't cut out the floor joist without severely compromising the foundation of your house. Instead, they must be reinforced by adding wood beams to both sides.